Vinyl flooring's affordability, durability, and wide variety of finishes make it a popular flooring choice. While it's very low maintenance, vinyl still needs the occasional deep clean. Here's what you'll need. First, remove any dirt and debris by sweeping or dusting the floor. If vacuuming, it's best to use the hose attachment. And if leaving furniture in the room, don't forget to vacuum underneath it, in corners, and along baseboards. Next, thoroughly mop using a pH-neutral floor cleaner. And to remove stubborn stains, try gently rubbing the area with a paste of baking soda and distilled water. Then, wipe the area clean using a damp cloth. If you notice scuffs from heavy foot traffic, try gently buffing them out with a melamine sponge. This should remove the marks without damaging the finish. Keep vinyl floors looking their best by placing felt floor protectors on heavy furniture legs, rugs in high traffic areas, and sweeping on a regular basis. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.